it's Athena at NoBullRV, and today we're inside a 2022 Grand Design Reflection. Beautiful unit. Pan around the bedroom, get a load of this. Beautiful king size bed, under bed storage, and a nice window. Let in a lot of natural light. Also, this closet doesn't hurt. You can be comfortable. Looks like there's a lot of space here too. Come on downstairs. Ah, doesn't this just feel good down here? Tons of space to do your morning yoga routine, surrounded by beautiful nature. Or if you like, you can put on a video, custom fit. After your workout, you can grab your protein shake. Want more information? Give us a call. Extension 119. It's Athena at NoBullRV. Have a great day.